Iyan. Okay, final score 44-57. Team In Flights win number 1 over QDF. Okay, tatlo lang. Okay, final score 44-57. Compress lang po. Team In Flights. Pakibalance din po, sir. Salamat po. Team In Flights.
Stakeholder. Saan ko pa yung mga stakeholder?
Bago na sinusuportahan ni ma'am, hindi na ako
Hindi na, wala yung pula. Okay, Team In Flights.
1, 2, 3, boom.
Okay, okay. Sino pong POG of the game? Jersey number 80. Nasaan ka? Bingo. Okay, that's Jersey number 18. Wag ano? Borlasa, wag mong takpan yung scoreboard. Yan. Okay. Jersey number 18. Okay, jersey number 18. B. Borlasa. O siya, dito ka lang. Sisingat ka sa akin ngayon. Sir Borlasa. Pakilan lang. Ano ba mo lang? Okay lang tayo.
Ganito?
Hindi.
Okay.
Okay. Sir Borlasa, thank you po muli po. Salamat po sa ano. Tayo lang. Okay. Sir Borlasa, good game po ngayon. Buwang nga talagang partisado kayo. Kali ano masapang na po sa team influence po on the succeeding games pa po after this?
So still the start of the season po. We're still looking to build our team chemistry.
Okay.
Laro-laro na po. Practice lang po for then we will build our foundation.
And also may pansin ko marami kang additional players na kami marami teams ha.
Opo. So more additional players for
Okay, talaga medyo kinakailangan magbagong chemistry. Okay, Sir Borlasa, I give you 1 minute to shout out your friends, supporters, family members. Sige ba sir? Sige.
Just one shout out to my Lola. and
Okay.
Lola Daddy.
Okay.
And, thank you Lord for keeping us safe.
Okay.
Jesus Almighty.
Okay, that's Mr. Borlasa, POG of the game between In-Flights and of course, QDF. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. Thank you, salamat. Okay. Okay, that concludes na our game for today. And of course, standby po tayo mamaya po with the final game for the day between, alam po natin yan, Sky Crew po yan versus ang The Hub.